I'm back from Sprinkle Trinkle Town, and I have a bag full of goodies that I am so happy that I was able to pick up and also trade. Bag of goodies. But yes, we came in last night, and we, down here in Houston, are getting hit with some more weather that our city is not prepared for. So I am stuck inside and my classes are canceled and everything. So I am gonna spend this week probably just catching up on things, and I also have to get started on my first ever painting of the semester. I am taking a painting class this semester. I haven't taken a painting class since like my second year of community college when I was like 19. So I'm excited. I'm also nervous, but yes, I do need to get started on that.
But they did, and they went off about it, and I feel like either or brought it up, and they're done. Okay. Because I'm like...
Sorry, I'm cutting canvas right now. Actually thumbs down because after the gesso dried and everything, the unstretched canvas ended up looking really weird and not how I wanted it to, so I'm not using it anymore and I'm just gonna use a little canvas board. I finally completed my marker collection, my Ohuhu markers. I have been very into using alcohol markers. I feel like the whole year of 2024 I was super into alcohol markers, but I never completed my Ohuhu set, and now I finally have all of them. And I've just been like, with the new year, really trying to get into a good sketchbooking practice, and that brings me to our sponsor, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with classes led by industry experts, and they have a lot of different classes like film, painting, illustration, design, sketchbooking and sketching, like the class that I've been taking. The Skillshare class that I have been taking over the last few days is Drawing is Important, Develop a Sketchbook Habit in 30 Days, and it's taught by Tom Froese. Like I mentioned, in 2025, I really want to prioritize sketchbooking and learning to just be free and creative in my sketchbook and develop that skill over the year. So if you would like to level up any of your skills, any of your side hustles, or start up a new hobby even, learn something new, Skillshare is a great place to do that. And the first 500 people to join using the link in my description will get 1 month free trial for Skillshare so that you can get a little bit more of a creative start for 2025. Now let's get back into the video. I am prepping my lunch right now. Getting some lettuce chopped up. Yesterday, the entire day, I'm not kidding, the entire day, I was working on the painting that I needed to do for my class. And I worked for hours. Ended up scrapping it. Started over yesterday. Now I'm kind of behind, but that's okay. But yeah, I did not film at all because of that. Because I'm not kidding, I was like on the verge of tears. I actually did cry some tears just because of like the frustration with the project, because my professor, I'm pretty sure it's my school, like it's a school policy, but we're not allowed to use oil paints. But a lot of the assignments for the paintings are like from life, or like studies of sorts. And I don't know how to do that anymore with acrylic paint. I don't remember how I got used to oil paint, so I'm struggling with acrylic paints, and they're very frustrating. I know I'll get the hang of it eventually, but it's just really annoying. Look at this little beautiful school salad that I'm gonna eat for myself. That didn't even make sense. This is my sweater of the day, and I can also put my hair in a claw clip now, even though it looks really silly because my hair, I have a bunch of layers, so there's not a lot of hair in the clip, but I can put it up in a claw clip now. I designed products all morning, which I wasn't expecting. The last, basically like 5 months of my life, essentially since I started my fall semester last August, I kind of haven't had as much time to do like very art things. This idea of like quote unquote full-time artist is something that we as artists contemplate a lot, because if you're self-employed, in reality there's not a lot of art making unless your job is like somehow you just make stuff and people pay thousands of dollars for it. My life has mostly just been like running my Patreon page for my lovely patrons, and school, and then outside of that, like the shop, so that I can pay my bills and stuff. So I guess my heart hurts a little bit just because I haven't had that time to like fully explore more artistically. So today I designed some products. I decided that I need to invest a little bit more in my shop. And also I have a few markets coming up actually. So I designed some more products, and the shop update is coming March 1st to the online store. So stores are all closed right now, but March 1st I will open up and patrons will get it February 28th because they get 24-hour early access. But I ordered a bunch of keychains, and I'm also working on new croc charms because I haven't made any new ones in a long time. And I'm also gonna make a scarf design over. Whenever I was at Sprinkle Trinkle, Vicky gave me one of her scarves, and it's really cute. And I got curious about making my own scarves because I really like making patterns, so I am gonna do that as well. And then there's gonna be a few other secret fun things. But for now, I am going to play with my new alcohol markers. I'm gonna do some studies. I would like to do portraits, but like each one takes me like an hour, hour and a half, and I want to do like some quicker studies, so I'm probably just gonna do fish so I can keep practicing and getting better at alcohol markers. He like shuts